Hey there YouTube, this is Solar from Pixie Tuts, and today I have a really more of a review, I guess, unpacking, let's say, of a package I was expecting. I stated many times in my other videos that I was expecting DealExtreme package, and the full story is that I ordered it on the 28th. They say it's going to come in 17 days of that order date. Today's the 19th of March. I ordered that on 28th of February. It's a total of 21 days. So the thing is late 4 days. So I don't know why. It's just weird. So here's 3 things I got, and I opened them and looked around. First, I got this little package, and I didn't actually see it until the last of the packing, and it actually is a Bluetooth dongle. It's USB. You put it in your laptop, computer, desktop, and it gives it Bluetooth connectivity. And I tried it out and it does work, so that's a good thing. And I got this about 10 minutes ago. Here I have now this is a very popular item on DealExtreme. It says 800M iPhone stereo headset, and the box looks not that promising, and like every single unpacking of this, it's always crushed up, the box, and I doubt it that this thing was perfect when it was shipped. I think this thing is crushed up when they put it in the box. So here's this, and on the sides they give you some kind of some details, usually what the UPC code is. Some features. It's designed by Apple for Apple iPods, iPhone stereo headset. So. Inside, and we get here iPhone stereo headsets. Now they were a pretty popular thing people ordered, and I ordered it too, and I realized that they actually are stereo. Okay, so they look pretty real from here, from this view, but when you turn them around, they really do not look like. They have an extremely large gray rim. You guys can see that. And what the cool thing is, it does have a mic. Which works for your iPhone, not for your laptop or anything like that. Don't order it for that. And the cable's some kind of like crutched up. You guys probably can't even see that, but it's a little cracked. I tried it out, and the quality is not good. It's more like you hear music play, you don't really get into it, like more bass. So that was a little bit more of a disappointment. Now here's the main thing I ordered. Now before I go to that, I got this for some $1.86. I got this, I believe, for $2.86. I got this for $8, $9 in total. This is the Nokia wireless Bluetooth headset BH320. There's not a lot of videos on this on YouTube. I have no idea why. So let's open this up. And of course this block is crushed. Here I have this. Okay. Here you have the charger. It's very cheapy. And here's the standard Nokia. Small. Here that the user's guide. There's a lot of complaints on there on DealExtreme that said that why does this thing actually have like a why doesn't it have an English? And I guess they added an English one this time, so there we have that. And here's the main thing you paid $8 for. The headset looks pretty small. Okay. Here you have the headset, Bluetooth headset. And it has a little small clip, ear clip, which looks like it's about to break. And so that's also very cheapy, and it does detach, so you can change it to whatever year you want to wear it on. And here is the actual port you plug the actual charger. The mouse side is a microphone right there, and over here is the volume rocker. And here is the end call, start call. So that's that. And I tried this out with one of the phones I had near me was the A737 from AT&T, fully functional. And I actually went into Bluetooth. You guys probably can't even see it, but it's okay. I'll tell you guys. Search for new devices. And what you do to turn this thing on is actually fold down, so you get a little orange. A little blue click. That. Now it's on. My phone is saying that it cannot find any devices. If this thing clicks again, it's on. So yeah, it's on. So let's click try again. And now it's trying again. See if anything happens. I'll tell you if it says anything. So we're just waiting here. So far it takes a long time. And it can't be found. So that's it. So it doesn't work. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's what I got from DealExtreme. So thanks for watching. This is Solar from Pixie Tuts, and please rate, comment, subscribe. See ya.